Hi guys, welcome to my workshop, or I should say my living room. I just received this vacuum jar together with a vacuum pump, and straight out of the box, styrofoam still there, I want to do a quick experiment. One, I want to see how good the vacuum pump really is, and two, I want to boil some water at room temperature. Let's give it a go. So I put the water in the vacuum jar, put a lid on top. So the front, let's see, open the line to the vacuum, then on the pump, turn it on. Watch the vacuum build up. There we go. Let's have a look inside what happens. Almost. Come on, you can do it. Boil. Boil you. You can hear the resistance building up from the sound of the pump. Come on, boil. Yes, you're watching water boil. Ooh, it's boiling. Ooh, boiling quite vigorously. That is so awesome. So let's have a quick look. Water boils at, well, minus 14.5 psi, I would say, or almost minus 1 bar. Still boiling. Cool.